There is blood in the streets right now as the crypto market continues to tumble into the red. You might be concerned, but you most likely shouldn't let this opportunity slip by. As Warren Buffett once said, be fearful when others are greedy, and to be greedy only when others are fearful. And I think it's safe to say the majority are very fearful right now. But luckily, you watching are not a part of the majority, and this isn't your first rodeo. And I don't know about you, but if there's anything I've learned over the past 4 years of being in crypto full time, it's that the dips are where generational wealth is made and where some of my best personal buys have occurred. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you as always for tuning into the Crypto Fiend YouTube channel. In this video, I want to discuss which cryptos I personally think are massive buying opportunities right now during the market dip. I won't be going into extensive details on these picks as we have a lot to cover, but if you do find interest in any of the cryptos that are discussed in this video, I do encourage you to do further research before making any financial decisions, because as always, everything shared in this video should not be looked at as financial advice. Okay, starting off the list, we have an absolute sleeper. Akomi and the Omi token. Focused on disrupting the collectibles industry, Akomi is bringing massive licenses and brands into the digital NFT world, some including Disney, the NFL, Cartoon Network, DC Comics, and much more. They also provide a user experience not seen anywhere else in the world of digital collectibles. In the mobile app VV, which currently boasts over 2.5 million users purchase limited edition collectibles on launch days or through the peer-to-peer marketplace, and you can display and interact with your collectibles via augmented or virtual reality. And very soon, users will be able to play games with their collectibles as well. Now, I know what you're thinking. How is Akomi able to get such prominent licenses from such well-known brand names? Alfred Kahn is how. For those not familiar with Alfred, this is the man to bring us the world of Pokemon. Yes, you heard that correct. The creator of Pokemon is the head of licenses for Akomi. Kahn has spent more than 30 years distributing and promoting iconic brands such as Cabbage Patch Kids, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and Yu-Gi-Oh! He has also been credited for the marketing and licensing programs for other iconic brands like Mario Bros, Zelda, Donkey Kong, James Bond, WWF, Polly Pockets, and many more. The Omi token will soon be used for purchasing collectibles within the VV app, along with staking and more utilities to come in 2022. With an all-time high of a little over a penny 10 months ago, Omi has retraced roughly 58%, where it currently sits at roughly half a cent. As we move into 2022, I suspect that Akomi and the Omi token will not disappoint, as they continue to expand their product offerings, grow their collaborations, and add further utility to the Omi token, while also burning tokens at a rate of roughly 77 million tokens per day, which will increase, bringing that total supply down slowly but surely. Now, before diving into our next pick, I just want to briefly remind you guys, if you haven't already gotten your tickets for the Bitcoin after party, I highly recommend you consider doing so soon, as they are beginning to sell. If you're not aware, the Bitcoin after party is going to be a massive, luxurious event going on in New York City after Bitcoin hits $250,000. I will leave a link in the description to a video I did going over more specific details about the party, but I highly recommend, if you are interested, you get a ticket soon before they sell out. And I'm so stoked that a handful of you have already picked up tickets. I cannot wait to party with you when Bitcoin hits $250,000. Again, if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link to the video I did going over more details about the event, or if you want to go straight to the Bitcoin After Party's website and look at the information there, you can do so as well. But make sure you use my promo code so you save 25% on your tickets. Okay, next on our list we have Celsius Network and the CEL token. Now, what I personally love about cryptocurrency investing are the dozens of ways to earn more crypto with your current crypto holdings. Whether it's yield farming, lending, spending, or one that is hands down the most popular, secure, and most legitimate is earning interest by simply holding your crypto on a specific wallet. With over 1.5 million users, $25 billion in asset holdings, and over $875 million in interest paid out since their inception, Celsius has established itself as one of the most reliable and easy to use platforms for earning interest on your crypto. And I have a feeling that they're just getting started, especially when you find out that they recently expanded their $400 million Series B funding round from October to $750 million as a result of oversubscription in the firm's capital raise. And with a $3.5 billion valuation right now, CEO Alex Mashinsky expects that figure to double or triple this year, which would see the company valued between $7 billion to $10.5 billion. But what if you aren't a big investment firm and can't get involved in a funding round? Well, that's where the CEL token comes into play. Used for receiving higher interest rates, discounts on loans, and much more, the CEL token has established itself as the centerpiece of the ecosystem. And with an all-time high of $8.05 7 months ago, CEL has tumbled nearly 45% to where it currently sits at $3.35. With so much institutional interest and all-time high user growth, CEL is undoubtedly nearing its bottom before it begins to climb once again and its true worth begins to show. Now, if you're like me and have dozens of subscriptions but have trouble keeping track of them, then today's video sponsor, Rivuto, is just what you need. Rivuto allows you to control your subscriptions with the first dApp on Cardano and leverage recurring payments with Revu tokens and DeFi services, all through their sleek mobile app. With common practices of deceptive small print, free trial user attraction traps, hidden and overcomplicated unsubscription procedures, the subscription economy keeps growing at a 100% year-over-year rate. Rivuto's mission is to enable their customers to save money by allowing them to take control over what, when, and how they pay for their subscriptions. And by leveraging Cardano native tokens and DeFi to pay for the subscriptions, Rivuto's ecosystem is designed to save people's money regardless of crypto market conditions. And do know that Rivuto is so much more than just a place to manage your subscriptions. With their Revu token being at the center of it all, users can get cash back when paying for subscriptions, stake and receive loans, earn yields on your Revu tokens when you provide liquidity to the protocol, and earn Revu tokens when you refer your friends. Rivuto has a busy year of development ahead of them, but with a large community and prominent partnerships backing them, I have a feeling they're going to crush it in 2022 and bring us all products we will absolutely love. The Revu token was just listed for the first time publicly on KuCoin and Gate.io. If you are interested in learning more about Rivuto, I will leave their website linked down below. And thank you, Rivuto, for sponsoring today's video. Next up, in our last crypto pick to buy during the dip is going to be Utrust and the UTK token. Utrust is a seamless integration that gives e-commerce businesses the power to accept digital currencies and get all the benefits you can't with just traditional payment methods. Utrust powers businesses in 180 plus countries across nearly every industry while supporting more than 30 currencies worldwide. And Utrust doesn't just benefit businesses, but also the consumers by allowing us to shop with any major cryptocurrency and any wallet. Although Utrust isn't a crypto we discuss often on the channel, it is one I have always followed and have been a big fan of, all the way back to their ICO over 4 years ago. In fact, back then the company was just an idea compared to what is now a full-fledged ecosystem. The UTK token itself is used to pay for products and services on hundreds of websites. Users can also avoid the 1% conversion fee when paying with UTK compared to other cryptos. Furthermore, a percentage of the transactional fee will be used to buy back UTK tokens and remove them from the market permanently, along with the UTK token being used for reverse staking, where users can stake 1,000 UTK in the Hold app and get UTK rewards when making purchases or trades through the app. The UTK token has not crushed its all-time high of $1.18 in nearly 4 years, but with its most recent attempt of 52 cents just a few months ago, I have no doubt in my mind that with all the developments and handshakes going on behind the scenes, the UTK token will break its unlucky streak very, very soon. So, what are your thoughts on my top altcoins to buy on the dip? Do you agree or disagree? Are there any cryptos I missed? Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.